So inverse variation. Inverse variation occurs when two variables change in different directions, i.e. if one gets bigger, the other gets smaller, and so on. So we say y equals k over x. And look at this. This is once again our reciprocal function. But we say y varies inversely as x, or y is inversely proportional to x, and k is some constant. So we looked at direct variation last year, and now we're looking at varies inversely, so inverse variation. So some examples of inverse variations are the time of journey and the average speed. So that makes sense. The faster you go, the less time it takes to get there. Air temperature and the altitude of a plane. The higher up you fly, the lower the temperature. Or the speed of internet downloads and the number of users. Well, we've all been there. The more users, the slower the download speed. So let's have a look at using some maths to do this work. Here is my keyword. So whenever you see the word varies inversely or proportionately, varies proportionately to, inversely proportionately to, we know we're going to be doing this. So I'm looking at this and this says y varies inversely. So inversely means 1 over, but we need a constant in there. So k over x. That's what this one is saying to me. Y varies inversely with x. And then we're usually given a little bit of information. So I'm told when y is 10, k is what I'm trying to find out. That is our constant of proportionality, and x is 2. So I solve this little equation. So I multiply both sides by 2. So I get k equals 20. So that is my constant of proportionality. And hence find the rule relating x and y. Well, my rule is y equals 20 over x, and that is my rule. The next type of question looks like this. When force is applied to a certain object, its acceleration varies inversely as its mass. So, acceleration varies inversely as the mass. So, inversely means something k, some constant over m. And the first question says find the constant of proportionality. So I'm going to use the information I'm given. In this question, I'm given acceleration is 12 and I'm given that the mass is 3. So substituting that into my equation, I've got 12 equals k over 3. So solving this, I get k equals 36. And that is my constant of proportionality. Part B says find the rule relating acceleration and mass. Well, acceleration equals 36 over m. That is my rule. And then part C usually just says use this rule to find an answer. So this one says find the acceleration of a 1.5 kilogram object. So the mass in this case is 1.5. And I'm going to use my formula, A equals 36, and I'm going to replace m with 1.5. And if I work that out, I get an answer of 24 meters per second squared. And that's all there is to it. Have a go at the exercise. If you need any help, you know where to find me.